Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the Adidas Solar Glide 5s. But before we get into the shoe, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And if you like the content we've been dropping on this channel as of late, please hit that like button and show us some love. Alright guys, here you guys go. The Adidas Solar Glide 5. Let's get into some of the details on the shoe. Alright guys, on the toe box here, you have a black and white mesh toe box. On the outside, you have a hard plastic black right here. Slide up here to the tongue, you have a black mesh tongue with a colorful loophole here. Slide up here to the top of the tongue, you have a yellow Adidas sign there. Slide over here to the side, you have more of that black and white mesh. You have 3 black Adidas stripes going down. Slide over here to the back, you have a mesh coming straight down the back panel of the shoe. You have 2 hard plastics on both sides of the plastic. Come over here to the other side of the shoe, is more of the same. You have the 3 black Adidas stripes. And the inside of the shoe, you have the multicolored flowers on the inside. You have that good old Ultra Boost technology. Come to the bottom of the sole, you have white, black, and orange on the bottom of the shoe, with that good old white being that Ultra Boost material, man. That Ultra Boost comfortability on this shoe for a great price point of $130. 50% of the material made on this shoe is Paisley Ocean plastic, man. So 50% of this shoe is made out of plastic pretty much, man. That's crazy because the comfortability on this shoe feels amazing, man. If you guys been following the channel, you guys know that I periodically pick up a pair of Adidas shoes that nobody else is really talking about, and I bring them to the channel and let you guys, get a look at them. I tend to pick a dope colorway all the time, man, and I like these, man. You throw these on with some sweats and just keep it pushing. You'll be comfortable for the whole day in these, man. But y'all know what time it's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all, man. I'm gonna give these joints 4 out of 5 pennies, man. This shoe right here, comfortability wise, is amazing. The price point is good at $130, and it got the good old Ultra Boost technology on here, man. Ultra Boost technology on a $130 shoe is crazy. Ultra Boost is like almost they $200 now. You know what I'm saying? You got that Ultra Boost technology on here for $130, man. You can't beat that, man. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. If you guys think this shoe is fire, leave it in the comments below. If you guys think this shoe is trash, leave it in the comments below. If y'all think my rating is too high, leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.